Hi friends.
Hi friends, I'm Miss Heather.
This time it's going to be a new video that we never did with you guys, not even in school.
Teddy's been really interested in volcanoes ever since we watched Moana. We've been drawing pictures about volcanoes. We've been talking about lava and eruptions.
And you can see half of the picture.
Yep. And so we ordered this National Geographic volcano kit. And so it comes with a make your own volcano mold and a real volcano specimen inside.
Yeah.
So let's open it up and see what we've got here.
Yeah. Do you think that's going to be a real volcano?
I don't think a whole volcano comes in a box, but I think we get to make our own volcano. Inside we've got a learning guide. I took a sneak peek at this last night and I really liked and learned a few new things myself.
I didn't know you were sneak peeking.
I know. National Geographic, not only is it a cool science kit, but also comes with some great learning information in it too.
Great.
Which to me was better than just buying a generic volcano kit. I wanted to get some education piece out of it. Let's show them what else we have in here.
Can I tell you something? We get to paint.
Yep. Turn around and show them. Tell your friends.
We get to paint too. We got yellow, we got orange, got red, yellow, and orange.
So it comes with a mold. Not over. So we'll mix the plaster together, pour it into the mold.
Yep.
Then we'll bake it in the oven at 200 degrees for a couple hours to really harden it. After it cools, we'll be able to paint it. This is, they call it the eruption powder. The eruption powder is citric acid and sodium bicarbonate. Here is our actual
Stones.
But yeah, from volcanoes.
Is that from a real volcano?
And this is the bag of plaster. So I'd like to try to make our volcano erupt 3 different ways, Teddy. With baking soda and vinegar, with Mentos and Diet Coke, and with their sodium bicarbonate and citric acid. All right, cool.
So let's start.
Let's start. So we've assembled here all the tools and pieces I think
And
we'll
remember
need.
in the first part we showed you all the stuff?
Yep.
We didn't have to go through all that again.
So we're going to put together the pieces for the mold. Can you help me push together the buttons? Yep. Good. So this is what's going to make it look like a volcano. So, see the hole straight through it?
Yep.
So what we want to do is put this piece.
And then.
Yep, can you do that? And then we're going to turn it upside down.
And do that.
And that's what we're going to pour in. Alright, so we're going to set this aside while we make our ingredients, okay?
Yep.
So that was steps 1 and 2. So step number 3 says to measure 5.5 ounces of cold water into a disposable container.
Is that cold water?
That's cold water.
Let me see. Cold that is.
Alright, so do you think you could pour this heavy thing into here until I say stop? And that's good. That's enough. We're going to pour the water into this bowl. This is the bowl we're going to mix it in, okay?
Okay.
We marked it science, not food, so we don't reuse this bowl for food.
Put it.
Great. Volcano plaster. Do not eat. Please be careful when mixing. Make sure an adult always helps. So it says, step number 4. Gradually add your measured plaster to the water while stirring until you've reached a consistency that is thick but pourable. So here's our water.
Yep.
And you're going to be our stirrer. And I'm going to slowly, so you stir down here. Yep. You're going to mix the plaster and the water together. Just like when we're cooking, okay?
Is this?
Yep. Eyes on the plaster, yep. Keep stirring. Maybe some more?
Yep.
It's gonna start to harden fast, so we want to be fast about this.
What means start to harden?
So this mixture is gonna get hard. That's what plaster is. It's gonna become hard and firm. It's not gonna be a liquid anymore.
Can you help me?
I think you're doing great.
But what about when it? What about
Is
when?
it getting thick?
Yeah.
All right. I don't think there's any chunks in here. What do you think?
I think.
Think we're ready to pour it in?
Wait. What about these bumps?
You know what? They're just little though. I think for the most part it's smooth and ready. So now I'm gonna bring up our volcano mold. I'm gonna help scrape it in like this. Gentle. It oozed out the sides. Well, hopefully if we leave it alone and don't wiggle it, it'll harden and we'll be able to fix that.
It's not gonna but I'm sure it'll stop moving.
You think it'll stay? I'll let this sit for about a half an hour to 45 minutes. And then when it's all done, we'll come back and check on it and try to make it look like a volcano, okay?
Okay.
All right. That's it for now.
Hi, friends.
Hi, friends.
They can't see you. Can you speak over?
Sure. So, we mixed that plaster together. We put it in the mold and we let it harden. We actually put it in the oven at 200 degrees for 2 hours and we waited a couple days. There we go. See? So it looks like rock. It looks like a volcano.
What is this water for us to drink?
No, it's for us to put our paintbrushes in.
Oh, once we put our paintbrushes in there, we'll drink it.
No. Not a good idea. That'll make you sick. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. Why don't you paint that side and I'll paint this side.
Okay.
The orange and the red and the yellow. Kind of looks like the lava's coming down the mountain or the volcano right now.
Let's not. What if you're inside this volcano right here?
What do you think?
I think I couldn't fit. I think I wouldn't fit.
No, not this volcano. All right, so now we're gonna let this dry. And when it's dry, we'll start running our experiments with it. Sound good?
Yeah.
Can you try that in a normal voice?
Why?
See you when our volcano's dry.
See you volcano. Hi.
Are you ready?
Yep, a cameraman.
Are you ready?
You're filming.
We've reached the most exciting part,
Yeah.
right? This is where we get to make a mess. So the kit came with sodium bicarbonate and citric something. And it also came with the suggestions of doing Coke and Mentos or baking soda and vinegar. Teddy chose to do our first eruption with baking soda and vinegar. I think probably because we get to do the food coloring with it.
Yeah.
And he really wanted to see how it looked with the red eruption. 3, 2, 1. Eruption. Look at, there's still baking powder in there, Teddy.
Well, we didn't get messy.
We didn't get messy. Good thing we have that cookie tray to catch all the vinegar.
Can
I'm gonna try it slower. If I pour slower, then it takes time to absorb more of that baking soda we put in. Do you want to try pouring it slowly?
Yeah.
Go ahead, pour it slowly.
Can I pour it slowly?
You did. Ready?
Yeah. Go fast.
No.
Why?
Because I get more bubbles. Did you notice you get more bubbles if you go slower?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Slow.
You go like that.
Good. I forgot. Did you say thumbs up or thumbs down? Yeah, I agree. That was fun. All right, now we're gonna try volcano experiment number 2. We're gonna do, what's this, Teddy?
Coke.
Yep, and what's this?
Mentos.
All right, so.
Now we're going fast.
We did go faster at the end. It just, I'm not impressed. There you go, pour it on, dude. Whoa. All right, what did you like better? With vinegar and baking soda or with Mentos and Diet Coke?
Mentos and Diet Coke.
You thought this was better? Okay. Thumbs up, thumbs down. A little bit of both. All right, we're back again with our third
Science experiment.
Okay, and this is the stuff that actually came with the kit. It is citric acid and sodium bicarbonate, and we mixed them together. And this is the stuff that you want to have the adult supervision on. So they say to take 1 tablespoon of that and put it in. So I'm going to do that part, and then Teddy's going to take the cup of water and slowly
Can I just
pour
have
it.
one sip?
Nope. Ready to slowly pour it? Do you want me to pour it so you can watch it?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. Is kind of cool because it has bubbles even after we're done pouring. See how it keeps bubbling?
Yeah. And even it's red.
Yeah, do you see the kind of steam that's coming off of it? Whoa, it's still bubbling. It's still bubbling. All right, so it's done bubbling. I'm going to take it and dump the extra out. Let's put another tablespoon.
We're gonna steam. Look it.
Yeah. how the Hawaiian Islands were formed.
Look, it's moving.
Because it spreads
Look,
out.
it's moving.
I see it. Here, add some water.
It is still bubbling. What's the in right there? I don't know. What if this was a real volcano they could like walk over?
Alright, so we've tried 3 different ways to have a volcano erupt. We tried first with baking soda and vinegar, then we did it with Mentos and Diet Coke, and the last way we did it was with the National Geographic mixture of sodium bicarbonate and citric acid. Which way was your favorite? 1, 2, or 3? Which way was your favorite? You can comment in the comments below and let us know which eruption you liked best. You like number 3 best, the last way we did it?
No, 2.
You like the Mentos and Diet Coke best?
Yeah.
I think I liked this way the best because I liked how slow and bubbly it got when we just added the powder to the water. We hope that you had fun exploring this National Geographic Volcano Home Science Kit with us. And that you learned something. And Teddy and I give this one a 2 thumbs up. We definitely do this again. And what's really neat is that our volcano held up really well. I wasn't sure how it would hold up to getting wet over and over and over again. I think that this will dry out nicely and we'll be able to do more home experiments, volcano experiments with it. And since Teddy doesn't really care about the citric acid and sodium bicarbonate, we'll have lots of fun doing Mentos and Diet Coke and baking soda and vinegar because those are things we have around the house. Right?
Yep.
Alright friends, let's say goodbye to our friends. We'll see you later in another video, friends.
Have another.
Say goodbye.